Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about calculation of machining time in drilling and boring operations. I hope you have understand the previous lectures and understand it. Now today we will discuss about mainly the drilling and boring operations. After seeing this lecture, you will be able to now define drilling and boring operation, how to calculate machining time in drilling and boring operation, and also will be able to solve the numerical problems on drilling and boring. Now first comes in our mind is what is drilling. So drilling can be defined as the operation of producing holes of required diameter in a workpiece. So we can see the two diagrams here. With the help of drill we are producing holes on a drilling machine, and the second figure shows the drilling operation on a lathe machine. The job is held in a three-jaw chuck and the tool, which is known as drill, is held in the tool post. So in this way we can do drilling operations by two methods. So we have already discussed that the work is held rigidly in a vise if we are doing the drilling operation on a drilling machine, and if we are doing the drilling machine on a lathe machine, the work is held rigidly in a chuck. The chuck may be 3-jaw or 4-jaw chuck. The tool used for producing the holes is known as drill. Now this is the basic formula to calculate the machining time for drilling operation on either of the two methods. Now T is the total time taken in minutes. L is the length of the hole in millimeters, and F is the feed in per revolutions, and capital N here is the RPM. Now we will take one numerical based on drilling operation. The statement I will read: find the time required to drill a hole of 12 mm diameter and 80 mm long in a workpiece held in a chuck on a lathe. The cutting speed given is 25 meters per minute and the feed is 0.2 mm per revolutions. So first we will write the given parameters: diameter D as 12 mm, length as 80 mm, cutting speed as 25 meters per minute, feed is 0.2 mm per revolution, and we have to calculate the machining time. So we have written on the left side the given parameters. Now we will use this formula, cutting speed formula we know, S is equal to pi d n by 100. So we put the values. S is equal, which is given 25, pi, d is 1.2, n we have to calculate by 100. So we will calculate the n by using this formula as 663 rpm. Now we will use the formula for this. T is equal to L by F into N. So we'll put the values to calculate the machining time in a drilling operation. L, which is given 80, and feed is 0.2, and N is 663 rpm, which we have already calculated. So in this way we can calculate the machining time for drilling operation as 0.6 as answer. Now we will take the second numerical. Calculate the time required for drilling 8 holes in a flange The diameter of each hole is 1.5 centimeter and the depth of the hole is 1 centimeter. Take cutting speed as 30 meters per minute and feed as 0.2 mm per revolutions. So first we will write down the given parameters. Now number of holes we have to produce in a flange is 8. Diameter is given 1.5 centimeter. Length of the hole is 1 centimeter. Cutting speed as 30 meter per minute. Feed is 0.2 mm per revolution, and we have to calculate this machining time. So we will again use this formula of cutting speed. S is equal to pi dn by 100. Now S is 30, pi d diameter 1.5, n we have to calculate and divided by 100. So in this way, by making the calculation, then simplified the equation, we will calculate n as 637 rpm. Now time required for drilling one hole, T is equal to L by F into N. This is the standard formula. We will put the values. L is equal to 1. Feed, which was given 0.2 mm. So we have to calculate 0.02 centimeters per revolutions and 637 rpm. So by using the calculator, we can simply calculate the machining time as 0.0785. This is the time required to produce one hole. Now we have to create 8 holes. We will multiply it by 8 and we will get the answer as 0.628 minutes. Now the second operation today will take about the boring. Now first we will discuss about its definition. Now boring is defined as the process of enlarging or increasing the hole already drilled in an object. So we are going to increase the diameter of the already existing hole in a workpiece, and it is generally done with the help of a boring bar. So this is the diagram for the boring bar, and this boring bar held in a tool post like a drill, and the feed to this boring bar is given with the help of tool post handle, whereas the work which is having a blind hole, say blind hole of some suitable diameter, and we have to increase this diameter with the help of this boring bar. Now the next is how to calculate the boring time. So again the formula used is same. T is equal to length of the bore divided by feed per revolution multiplied by rpm. So T is equal to L by F into N, and the answer will be given in minutes. L is the length, F is the feed, and N is the rpm. Now we will take one numerical based on this boring operation to calculate the boring time. This is the statement of the numerical. Calculate the time required to rough bore, to second rough bore, and to finish bore a cast iron cylinder whose diameter is 30 cm and length of the bore is 25 cm. Use the following data. So the diameter given is 30 cm and the length of the bore is 25 centimeter. So the diameter is 30 centimeter and length is 25 centimeter. Now we have to complete this boring operation in 3 steps. So and we have to calculate the total machining time. Now for rough boring operation, say time T1, the formula is same, L by F into N. So we will calculate first the machining time for rough boring for step number 1. So we put the values to calculate the value of T1. T1 is equal to length is equal to 25 and feed which is given 0.3 and N which was given as 48 rpm for the first step. So it calculates the machining time for rough boring for step number 1 as 1.74 minutes. Now for second rough boring operation, we have given RPM as 50 and the feed is 0.9 centimeter per revolution, and the length of the bore is same again 25. So put the values in this formula L by F into N to calculate the machining time T2. In this way we can calculate the machining time T2 as 5.56 minutes. This is very simple calculations. Now the third step, time required for rough boring T3, finish boring T3 is equal to L by F into N. L is again same, that is the length of the bore 25, and feed is given as 0.6 centimeter per revolution and RPM is 25. So we'll calculate the time T3 as 1.67 minutes. Now lastly we will add all these times to calculate the total time required for this complete boring operation. T is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3, that is 1.74 plus 5.56 plus 1.67 equal to 8.97 minutes. So in this way we can calculate the machining time for complete boring operation. I hope you have liked this lecture and understand the basic concepts of drilling and boring, and will be able to solve the numerical problems on this. Thank you.